Again, this is the planet Mercury. Can you point out the Mercury planet here in our illustration? Okay, this is the planet Mercury. As you can see, Mercury is the closest planet from the Sun, and it is also the smallest planet in the solar system. In addition, Mercury has no moons, no rings, and the atmosphere is so thin that some scientists classify it as an exosphere. Did you get it, class? Okay, very good, class. Now, what planet is this? Very good. This is the planet Venus. Venus is the second planet from the Sun, and this is the hottest planet too. Did you know, class, that Venus is the largest planet seen in the night? Why? Because Venus is relative proximity to Earth, meaning that Venus is close to Earth. Now, the next planet next to Venus is the planet Earth. Then planet Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the largest terrestrial planet. And the planet Earth is the only planet that hosts living beings. So that means that this planet is where we okay, this planet is where we live. So what do you think is the next planet next to Earth? Okay, the next planet next to Earth is the planet Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun, and Mars is a red planet. Why Mars is a red planet? Because of the surface comes from the iron oxide or rust in the soil. On the other hand, Mars is dry and red with volcanoes. Did you understand, class? Very good. So the next planet is the planet. What planet is the next planet? Okay, very good. The next planet is the planet Jupiter. No, this is the planet Jupiter. As you can see, this planet is the largest planet in the solar system. It is made up of layers of gas, and then Jupiter has 63 moons and a faint ring system. And then the planet next to Jupiter is the planet Saturn. It is the sixth planet from the Sun. It is also a gas giant planet. And Saturn planet is the most impressive feature as seen from afar. Why? Because the Saturn is an extensive and has an extensive and complex ring system. In other words, Saturn is famous in many things. Its moons, its size, and of course, its pretty rings. Now, the next planet is the planet Uranus. This is the planet Uranus, and then Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun. It is 4 times the size of Earth and is made up of large atmosphere. Uranus means God of Heaven because Uranus have 27 moons on its orbit. Now, did you get it, class? Okay. So the last but not the least planet is the planet. What planet? Very good. It is the planet Neptune. Neptune is the 8th planet from the Sun, and it is also the farthest planet from the Sun. It is also a very cold planet like Uranus. And then the atmosphere is mostly methane, which gives the planet in its blue color. So now, class, what are the 8 planets in our solar system? Very good. The 8 planets in our solar system are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So class, why do you think that Pluto is no longer a planet? Do you have any idea? Do you have any idea, class? Okay, you have a good idea. Pluto is no longer a planet because, according to new rules adopted by the International Astronomical Union, a celestial body must meet the following criteria in order to qualify as a planet. So there is three rules for to name as a planet. So first rule is a planet must be round, and the second, a planet must orbit around the sun, and the third, a planet must have cleared a neighborhood of its orbit, meaning that as a planet travels, its gravity sweeps and clears the space around it for other objects. So the Pluto follows the first two rules, which is the Pluto is a round planet. Yes, it is. And then the Pluto is orbits around the sun. Yes, it is. But it does not follow the third rule. Pluto does not follow the third rule. What is the third rule? Okay, the third rule is that Pluto has not yet cleared the neighborhood of its orbit in space. So that is why Pluto is no longer considered as a planet. Okay, so did you understand, class? Very good. So now let us play a game. I will group you into three. Each group draw and arrange the planets orderly using the provided cartolina and pencil pen. I will be giving you 30 minutes to finish your work. The first group who will finish will be the winner. Then go to your group and the time starts now. Time's up. Did you enjoy your activity, class? Yes, I know that you enjoying it. Now, while you are in your activity, what do you think are the important values that you've shown? Yes, class, that's right. Determination and cooperation are important values you need for you to finish your activity within the time provided. Also, for you to have better outcome afterwards. Congratulations, class. You made this lesson as amazing as you are. So, now, what is our topic today? Very good. Our topic today is about the 8 planets in the solar system. What are those 8 planets in the solar system? Great! The 8 planets in the solar system are the planet Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So, give the characteristic of each planet based on what you have understood in our lesson today. Okay, very good, class. I know that you've learned a lot from our lesson today. So now, I want you to answer this. Everyone, please read the instruction. Write the correct answer in the space provided. So, you're going to write the answer in the space provided. I will be giving you 10 minutes to answer this. The time starts now. Time's up. Please pass your papers in front. Okay, class, so because we're running out of time, I want this will be your assignment for today. Your assignment is write one paragraph reflection about our lesson today. Did you get it, class? Are we clear? Okay, very good, class. Do you have any questions and clarifications about our lesson today? Okay, I know that you have learned a lot from our lesson today. So now that would be all, and thank you and good afternoon.